Have you ever wondered about the best way to study for NR 565? It's a question that has troubled many students given the course's intricate nature and the sheer volume of study material. The challenge of studying for NR 565 lies in the breadth and depth of its content, which ranges from advanced pharmacology fundamentals to specific chapters on drugs used in treating infectious diseases. The solution? The NR 565 Complete Deal. This comprehensive package deal is designed to guide you through the course, week by week. It provides study guides, notes, and in-depth information on specific topics, all tailored to make your study experience seamless and effective. With 18 items in the package, it ensures no stone is left unturned. So, no more worrying about the vastness of the course or the complexity of the content. Today we will explore the NR 565 Complete Deal, a comprehensive package that will transform your study experience. What exactly is in the NR 565 Complete Deal, you may ask? Well, let's dive in and unpack this treasure chest of knowledge, shall we? First off, we have two versions of the NR 565 Week 2 Study Guide. One is priced at $15.49, while the other is at a steal for $3.99. These guides are designed to help you navigate through the second week of the NR 565 course with ease, providing comprehensive notes and exercises to reinforce what you've learned. Next, we have the NR 565 Week 6 Chapter 24 Guide, again available in two versions. These focus on the drugs used in treating infectious diseases, a critical topic, wouldn't you agree? Priced at $15.49 and $8.49, these guides delve into the details, helping you understand complex concepts and potentially life-saving treatments. Then we have the NR 565 Final Exam Study Guide. One version is priced at $15.49, while the other is just $4.99. These guides are your ultimate companions for the final exam, covering all topics in the course and providing practice questions to test your understanding. Now, let's move on to the NR 565 Week 1 notes. Priced at $8.49, these notes are a great way to kick off your NR 565 journey. They cover the basics and provide a strong foundation for the weeks to come. The NR 565 Advanced Pharmacology Midterm Study Guide, priced at $8.49, is next. This guide is a lifesaver for the midterm exam, covering all the topics you've studied so far and providing practice questions to help you prepare. We also have the NR 565 Advanced Pharmacology Fundamentals Week 7 and 8 Final Exam Study Guide. Available in two versions, priced at $8.49 and $4.49, these guides are designed to help you excel in the final weeks of the course and the final exam. The NR 565 Advanced Pharmacology Fundamentals. Week 5. Chapter 24. Guide, priced at $4.49, is a deep dive into the fundamentals of pharmacology, providing detailed notes and exercises. Next is the NR 565 Advanced Pharmacology Fundamentals Week 3. Chapter 14 Guide. Priced at $4.49, this guide covers the basic concepts of pharmacology, providing a solid foundation for your studies. We also have another version of the NR 565 Advanced Pharmacology Midterm Study Guide, priced at $4.49. This guide is a great resource for your midterm exam preparation, covering all the important topics and providing practice questions. The NR 565 Final Exam Study Guide, priced at $4.49, is another valuable resource for your final exam preparation. It covers all the topics in the course and provides practice questions to test your understanding. Finally, we have the NR 565 Midterm Exam Study Guide, priced at $4.99. This guide is a comprehensive tool for your midterm exam preparation, covering all the important topics and providing practice questions. And there you have it, folks. The NR 565 Complete Deal, a treasure trove of 18 invaluable study resources to guide you through your NR 565 coursework. With all these resources at your fingertips, you'll be well equipped to tackle NR 565. Now you might be wondering, what's the real value of this package deal? Well, let's break it down. If you were to purchase each of these 18 items individually, the cost can quickly add up. From the Week 2 Study Guide to the Advanced Pharmacology Midterm Study Guide, each item has its own price tag. But here's the kicker. The NR 565 Complete Deal bundles all these resources together at a significantly reduced overall cost. This means you're getting more bang for your buck. saving you not just money, but also time spent hunting down each resource separately. Imagine the convenience of having every essential study guide, every crucial chapter note, all at your fingertips in one comprehensive package. It's not just about the savings, it's about streamlining your study process, making it more efficient and less stressful. The NR 565 Complete Deal offers not just great value for money, but also a stress-free and efficient study experience. So, you've seen what's in the package and the amazing value it offers, but what's next? This is where things get really exciting. The NR 565 Complete Deal is more than just a study guide, it's your roadmap to success in the world of pharmacology. It's your chance to take the reins and steer your learning journey in the direction you want it to go. We've carefully curated the contents of this package to cover everything you'll need to ace your course. From fundamental concepts to in-depth exploration of infectious diseases, it's all here. And the best part? You can have it all at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. So why wait? The power to excel in your studies is within your reach. The NR 565 Complete Deal is not just a purchase but an investment in your future. Don't wait for the last minute, secure your NR 565 Complete Deal today and take the first step towards acing your course.